Are you about to go on a cruise and you want to create a reel from it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to plan, film, and edit your next cruise reel. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! So the first thing you want to think about is what is an easy transition that you can do when you're out and about that isn't going to embarrass you, that isn't going to require too much work, so that you can easily recreate it and then not also stress about having to film and enjoy your vacation. One that I've done and that I suggest you try too is simply snapping and filming your legs. So filming your legs and then doing a finger snap transition between them. So as long as there's some kind of action, I could just swipe my hand, but I find a finger snap is really easy, looks good, and it's a great way just to create a fun reel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into video and I'm going to film. First of all, I'm going to start with my hand out of the frame so that I can go in, snap, and then snap again, and then come out. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to snap at least twice when you're snapping. You do have an option to like snap once and then snap again really quickly, or you can add some kind of action between them. So like, for example, I can go in, I can snap, I can grab this thing. It's going to make holding my pocket much easier, and then snap again. Or let's do snap and let's show this and then snap again. So you can show something or you can do some kind of action between there. But like what you're looking at is you want to come in the first time, do the action, so like a snap, do something or just snap again, and then leave let your hand leave the frame. It's important to do the ones where you just like leave the hand so it's just the shot, because that's going to allow you to have a nice end shot at the end when you come out, and you can rearrange these clips in multiple ways and create multiple reels out of the same content, and the more by just shooting it this way. While you're on the cruise, you're going to film as many places as you can while you're out and about, and then when you come home or on your plane back, you can go into your profile, go into reel, and then I'm going to go through and add the clips from my cruise. There we go. I added a bunch. Now you're going to want to skip this part because it's not going to automatically be able to do it for you. So when you're editing your video, you're going to click edit. And the whole trick to this is to cut it. So like add the next clip. So go from one clip to the next clip on the action, so the snap itself. And the more you can get it on the snap itself, the more natural it's gonna look and the better it's gonna look. So to be able to like zoom in, you can use your fingers to like make your timeline bigger. So I'm just gonna stretch that out, and then I'm just gonna go and snap the first time. So I'm gonna start with my hand out and snap the first time. And at that action, pause it. There we go. And then I'm going to select that clip. I'm going to press split, and then I'm going to delete the rest of that. So you can see here, I snapped, and then I go right in to my husband waving. This could be a good end. So if I want to move this to the end, I just hold this down, and then let's just drag it over to the end. See if we're going to use that one at the end. And now let's keep going. There, look, I got a little fancy in there. I zoomed in, showed you where I was, went back out, and snapped out of that. Perfect. Okay, let's do another snap here. And so when you're doing it the first time, you're just going through it and trying to get it as close as possible. When you watch it through, you're going to know which ones didn't work. They're just not going to look as good. So you're going to know which ones you have to redo or cut a little bit better. To get it to slide, I'm just holding my finger down on the timeline and I'm allowing it to slide back and forth. And because this one's already yellow, I can use these yellow indicators and just slide it to the end. And so I'm just dragging the timeline to make it slide to where I need it. Okay, so now when I replay it, I can see if the timing works with all of them. So I'm going through it Oh, that one looked good. So you can see the action between it just makes it a longer clip. Or I can make it a short clip and just go between it, show you what book I was reading, have some food. Ooh, I missed that snap. Oh, I missed that one again. Sweet. And then you have a nice fun cruise video. You can just add some audio, add whatever song you want, go next. And then you already have a more engaging reel that you can share. And this way, at least you can just like capture the essence of what you did on the cruise, the kind of things you did. Our cruise got a little bad because there was a storm and we got stuck in port for some extra days, but we did make it to the beach, as you can see. It was just a lot colder than we expected it to be, so it doesn't look like we're doing another cruise.